Are you done? No! Okay. Sheesh, you don't have to be that mean. Paint Bucket, do you want to come?
Sure.
Come, Book. We need a smart guy.
Do we also need a dumb one?
Hey, Dust Bunny, want to come to the tea with me? Huh, I like the silent type. Good for you. Headphones. Fine.
Can I join your team, TV?
Sure. Doorknob. Want to join?
Yay!
Hey, toilet paper.
Okay.
Oh, hello, guys. Are you guys done? And do you also like this beautiful background I added out of nowhere? And it's pretty nice. And yeah, box, we're done. And is this stolen for somebody? Yeah, it's stolen for somebody else. Okay, now we can finally choose team names. Yeah.
Let's
Let's
go.
It is. It's hilarious.
No
balls. How's that hilarious? I don't really like the game, but I really like it.
Yeah, it's just.
Well, I guess I agree on Canada. So, Phone's team would be called the Radical Rovers.
Wait, was it that a guitar come?
And TV's team will be called the Shiny Seekers. The first round is going to be boat racing. And this is how it works out. The team captains have to take 5 teammates from one side of the lake to the other, one by one.
Well, that doesn't seem too bad.
Oh yeah, there's a sea monster on the lake or whatever.
I'm gonna take that back.
Okay, now start choosing your team members that are going to be there. Okay, I'm going to take Masky, Remote, Dodgeball, iPad Kid, and Candy. Oh my god, we're going to be in a boat. Together. Alone. This can be so romantic. Okay, I'll take Eggy, Scarf, Tape, Marker, and Paint Bucket.
Okay. Oh, Box, we're done.
Oh, you're done? I was just drinking my coffee. Oh, you want some? Oh.
Box, you know there's kids watching, right?
Wait, what? Who?
iPad Kid and, Box, are you You said it again!
Scarfield swore too. Let's just get started with the challenge.
Yeah, we should.
Okay, team captains, you can start. Get in, Remote. Come on, Eggy, let's go.
Yo, Phone.
What happened?
Check this out.
Ah! Remote! Why would you do that?
Yo no hablo inglés.
What?
Sí, yo mexicano.
Ow! Ow! Ouch! Ow! Eggy, no! Oh, Remote! I hate you!
Looks like the sea monster had a good breakfast.
Remote!
Okay. But Eggy kind of looks a little scrambled. I hope he had some bacon with that.
You're not that funny.
What? I'm hilarious.
Hey, Box. Wait, where's your partner? Well, the thing is that... Oh. Wait, who is your partner? Eggy. It'll take about an hour or two to recover her. Okay. You have 2 options. Either you stay here looking like an idiot, or you go all the way back and grab another partner. Your choice. Bye, box. Okay, get off remote. This is kinda awkward. The camera kinda died. Yeah. So I only recorded the last part, which, oh yeah, you'll see. It was the last partners. It was phone and candy versus TV and scarf. Yeah. Okay, candy. So, what do you want to talk about while we're in here? Oh, whatever. Whatever you want. Okay. So, what is that thing? I don't know. This is getting a little awkward. Let's just see. Oh, finish line. It's almost there. What? Yeah, look at it. Oh, look at that beautiful thing. What? Mom, we gotta go there fast. Well, the Shiny Seekers are up for elimination. Look at this YouTube short that is up now to cast your vote. Voting ends in 2 days since the episode release.